The Courtney Textile Mail's shipping line can be revived.
Apologies, I have personal matters today. I would like to request a leave of absence.
What? You won't even escort me now? Vivian will be at this salon too.
I will go prepare the carriage for you.
Our highlight, Rouzane's final work, Twilight in Normandy. Opening bid, $1,000.
$2,000. $2,500. $3,000. $5,000. $8,000.
8,000 once. 8,000 twice. $8,000. Hold. Ladies and gentlemen, by order of Mr. Stark, all lots desired by Miss Vivian Courtney will be purchased at any price and presented.
The Stark family?
Oh my God! Did you hear that? Mr. Stark! The elusive Mr. Stark. He did this for me. Well done, my knight. To the docks, the Black Swan Tavern. Sister, a tavern? With sailors? Take me. I've always wanted to see one. Have you no shame? Get out. This isn't your performing stage. Stop following me. Go protect your Miss Vivian.
Well now, where'd a fancy lady like you come from? Join us for a drink.
Let go! Don't touch me!
Feisty. I like that.
Kyle, this is too strong. I'm dizzy. Could you take me back to the carriage? I can't. I'm passing out.
Bastards! Let go of me! Help! Help!
You little bitch, you're coming with us today whether you like it or not. Let the lady go! This is Boston, not your lawless southern gutter.
Where are you going? Please don't leave me. I'm scared.
Chloe, your arm. You're bleeding so much.
Kyle, help. My corset. I can't breathe.
Are you all right, Vivian?
You really think a glass of water will fix his 2 failures? You chose Vivian at the fundraisers. I got shot. And tonight, you left me bleeding on broken glass for her. Again. Get out of Courtney Manor.
I can't.
Can't? Or won't? Because Vivian's here?
I failed you. I'll take whatever punishment you think I deserve.
Good. You said it. Turn around. Back straight.
Feel better now, Chloe?
Not even close. You don't get to walk away from this.
You want to keep going? You sure you're ready for what that meant?
This little knight's game is over. Get out. And don't you ever put your hands on me again.
From tonight on, I'm taking back all that's mine.
"7 days. Then it's official. Have the Carters set the wedding."
Once it's announced, you move out.
I know. If that's all, I'll take my leave. Prepare the carriage. I don't want to waste another second in this foul, decaying house. Father, you were in the study so long. Don't tell me you gave her the mill's second-half dividends as her dowry?
She's marrying into the Carter family. That's compensation she deserves.
Compensation? Like she's being sent off to die. The Carters run half the North. Even if Ethan's useless and barely alive, their treasury certainly isn't. Some people really do land on their feet, huh? Mother, don't you think so?
Vivian, mind your manners. Your sister is making a sacrifice for this family.
Just like her short-lived mother, Isabel. Always so noble. Vivian, an illegitimate daughter who born in the shadows. Don't you dare badmouth my mother. You shut up! I'm Father's favorite daughter. What are you?
Chloe, she is, after all, your half-sister. You share the same blood. Didn't Isabel teach you how a well-bred lady should speak?
Father! She hits me!
Chloe! What the hell do you think you're doing?
That's enough.
Kyle, get this madwoman out of my sight. Now! She doesn't step out without my say.
Mommy, is Daddy going to kick us out of the manor?
Shh, my little Robin, don't cry. Mommy swears to God that I will always protect you and never leave your side. Mother, you broke your vow in front of God. You said you'd never leave me. Yet that night, you drank an entire bottle of Labanach. I'm going through with the marriage contract, and I'm leaving this rotting manor for good. I won't put my life in a weak man's hands. What belongs to me, I will hold on to myself. Rest in peace, Mother.
Miss, the Master sent word. The textile contract has taken effect at City Hall. The Carter family carriage will arrive before sunset.
As for your guard, Kyle, tell him. Tell him to keep Kyle. Seems like a better fit for his precious illegitimate daughter. I don't want something so dirty.
Miss Chloe, what's going on?
I'm leaving the Mannon. The wooden crate in the corner, filled with the Courtney family's old account books. Take it to Arthur's reception room.
You're leaving. Where are you going?
That's no longer your concern.
Just carry out my final order.
Kyle. Goodbye.
Mr. Courtney, Miss Chloe ordered me to return these items. If there are no further instructions, I will take my leave.
Kyle, my knight, you're not going anywhere. Chloe left you behind. From now on, you answer to me.
What did you say?
Chloe's marriage contract with the Carter family is signed. She's leaving for the Carter Manor tonight. A married woman doesn't keep a young man like you around. You'll serve Vivian from now on.
Sister really is noble, marrying Ethan, that walking corpse who can't even open his eyes, in exchange for military contracts in the Carter treasury. Not a bad trade, though. Some people really know how to bargain.
No! She's not marrying him!
Click the link to watch the full series.